Today I will be discussing the topic Wi-Fi transfer from mobile to PC using cable or from PC to phone using cable is the best. Yeah, there are so many ways you can transfer files from one device to another. I have already discussed them on this channel. But the fact is that transferring using cable like this is best. I'm going to give you a few reasons behind that. I'm creating this video because many people have asked questions in respect to this. And I want to clarify it in this video. The first reason why file sharing using cable is best is because the file you are sending retains its quality after it's being transferred from one device to another. So when you are choosing a transfer method, you have to be careful about the type of file you want to transfer. Okay? If you transfer through Bluetooth, for example, or through third-party apps like Sender, AirDroid, that file tends to lose quality while getting to another device. Yes, it does that because it compresses the file to make it kind of fast to reach the other device. Okay, if for example you are sending photo from your phone to your PC and you don't want that photo to lose quality on getting to your PC, you use cable. Okay, use cable like this for that. Because if you use Bluetooth, that file on getting before getting to your PC will be compressed. And when you stretch the photo now, it will lose quality. So it's a problem. For people like us that do more of design, whenever I'm sending a photo from my phone to my PC for the design purpose, I don't use Bluetooth, neither do I use third-party app like local send. So I don't do that, or AirDroid. I don't do that because I know if I use the other method, it will lose quality. So use cable so that if the file is like 10 MB before leaving your phone, on getting to your PC, it returns that 10 megabyte. All right. The second reason why file transfer using cable is the best is because it is faster. Yes, cable file transfer is fastest. So you just need to create a folder and place the files in your phone. Then move the folder to your PC. As fast as that, okay? It moves faster, all right? No matter the size of the video, it will be fast because video is one of the type of files that is heavy, okay? Another reason is that cable file transfer can be used to transfer large files, even files of up to 50 gigabytes. Yes, it will get transferred within a shortest time depending on the type of cable you are using. But you want to transfer 50 gigabytes with Bluetooth, man, you will sleep there that day. You will sleep there that day. So cable file transfer is faster. And that is the reason if you are connected, if you are using internet of a phone and use cable method to access the internet on your PC, it will be much faster than when you are using Wi-Fi. Okay, now let's compare cable file transfer with email file transfer. Yeah, you can use email to send files from one PC or from one phone to another PC, to a PC. But the truth of the matter is that when you use email, it has the limited number of file in terms of weight it can carry. I think it's about 26 megabytes. So if you want to share file of about 1 gigabyte using that method, you see, it will not work. Here, it will not work because that file is more than the limit placed by Google. Okay, so but email file transfer, if the file is less than 26 megabytes, email file transfer can be fast. It can return its same quality. But the problem here is, what is the size of the file you're transferring? So with this, I believe that I have informed you on the reasons why cable file transfer is best. One is in terms of returning the property or quality of the file. If you are transferring video or you are transferring photos, pictures using cable, they return their quality on getting to your PC. Number two is because it is faster. And number three is because it can be used to transfer large files. I believe you find this video helpful. Please, if it does help, do subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button for this video to go viral. You can share it with your friends, okay? Watch this video to learn more about how to transfer file using cable to retain its quality. Thank you for staying to the end. See you next time.